my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. It's a no-brainer that a nice bowl of hot soup is perfect during winter, while a chilled one is ideal to serve on a hot summer day. I have many recipes on the website, and here's another one. My chilled cucumber soup. Easy to prepare. This flavorful dish is very satisfying. It's a lovely recipe to make the season. So let's get cooking. In a jar of a blender, we'll add English cucumber roughly cut in thirds, plain yogurt, I'm using 3% but you can use non-fat or full fat, as well as sour cream, I prefer low fat but use your preferred one, some vegetable broth, then freshly squeezed lemon juice, followed by red onions, a small clove of garlic, and fresh dill. I love this herb. We'll now season with powdered sugar. I know it sounds strange when it comes to a savory recipe, but trust me, it needs it. Then ground sea salt, as well as freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll place the lid on top and remove the filler cap. We'll pulse a few times so it doesn't splash all over before setting the speed on medium and processing until nicely blended. When the mixture is fairly smooth and the appliance is still running, we'll slowly pour a thin stream of extra virgin olive oil through the top. Take your time, don't rush it, otherwise the oil might separate. After it's all in, we'll increase the speed to high and blend for 30 seconds. Of course, we'll taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Mine needs just a little bit more ground pepper. Of course, if we add anything to it, we'll have to process again. We'll pour the soup into a bowl, cover, and transfer to the fridge for at least 8 hours, but preferably overnight before serving it. Later on, or the next day, we'll ladle the soup into chilled bowls and garnish with finely chopped red onions, chopped dill, and drizzle with some olive oil. And my friends, this is our chilled cucumber soup. Served with crusty bread, this tasty and refreshing soup is perfect to enjoy on a hot summer day. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!